this is Bastian and welcome back to AndroidPIT. Last time I said another day, another phone. Yeah, it's that time again. We have a new phone, the OnePlus 6. Yes, it's finally here. We're as excited as you are. We got the new box. This is not the retail box. This is actually a retail box. Everything's here. We're gonna have a look at it. So yeah, welcome to our unboxing of the OnePlus 6. So let's first get rid of the black box so we have a little more space. As I said before, this is the retail version of the OnePlus 6. So this is basically what you get when you buy the phone. But we're gonna tease you a little more. We also got all the cases you can get for the OnePlus 6. So let's first take a look at those. First of all, we have this black version with this nice texture. Looks really, really good. If you like more color, it's this one. It's a rubbery red version, really flashy, really bright. It's really nice. The only thing is it's sometimes hard to get it into your jeans pocket or something because it's really rubberized. We also know this one from OnePlus pretty well by now. They're offering this one for every OnePlus phone basically with this carbon fiber texture. Still very nice. And also this wood case basically. It's not real wood, but it looks like it. And good old sandstone is also back, as you might remember. The first OnePlus One actually had this as the back cover. Now they're offering a case with the same texture. So those are the cases you can buy right now for the OnePlus 6. Let's put these all back and actually take a look at the new OnePlus 6. As you can see, the box itself hasn't really changed. It's good old OnePlus. We know this box from the 3T, from the OnePlus 3, OnePlus 5T, OnePlus 5, all of them. So let's open this. And here is the new shiny OnePlus 6. So, hang on. It's not as easy to take off. So as you can see, nice little 6 in the middle. And we have this box as we know it from the OnePlus devices. You have the dash charger. Let's take this out really quick. And the really, really cool looking red cable that we also know from the other devices. In this little thing, you also have the manual and all the kind of stuff you need with the device. And you actually get another case. As you can see, it's a plastic rubbery case. Not as awesome as the other ones, but it's kind of nice to simply have a quick case to snap on if you don't want to break your phone. So, but it's time to have a look at the new beast, the new OnePlus 6. OnePlus 6, sorry. There are, like, overall, it feels like a OnePlus phone. Not that much has changed, but at the same time, a lot of things have changed. Two things in particular. First of all, on the right side, you have still the power button, but now you actually have the sliding button to mute the phone and to go through the different versions of ringtones and all that kind of stuff. You now have on this side. You used to have it on this side. Also, the SIM tray has moved to that position. It's really hard to see because it's, well, really black, but it's here. And the volume rocker is down here below. On the top, there's just a microphone, nothing else. Let's move to the middle a little more. And on the bottom, you still have the headphone jack. You have the USB Type-C port and the loudspeaker. The next huge difference to the phones before is on the back. The whole setup is different. We don't have metal anymore, as you might be able to see, because it's really shiny now. It's actually glass, as we've seen from other manufacturers too. The fingerprint sensor looks very different than before, and the camera is not at the top here anymore. It's actually in the middle, lined up. Also a dual camera, of course. It's really a powerhouse. You have the Snapdragon 845. You have 8 GB of RAM. You have 128 GB of storage. The camera on the back is a 16 and 20 megapixel camera. Sorry. And on the front, you have also a 20 megapixel shooter. So yeah, overall, it's everything you can ask for. It's still a OnePlus phone. You can really feel that. I also have the OnePlus 5T here, so I can The sizes are really similar. As I said, the back is really different. I'm not so sure if I'm really happy about the glass. I really liked the rubbery kind of back from a sandstone version of the OnePlus 5T. And also metal doesn't break that fast, but let's see if that really works or is an issue. We're gonna see. So yeah, that's the OnePlus 6 and everything you get with it. And of course a little extra if you want to spend the extra money for it. It has all the bells and whistles we can ask for these days. We're gonna run it through its paces and see how good the performance really is at the end. If you're interested, next week we're gonna have the full review on our website. Please check it out. Leave a like and subscribe as always, and see you next time in the next video.